Hey y'all, today we're going to do some very simple cooking, okay? We're going to do simple stuff today on the simple way. We're going to make french fries, okay? But they're going to be very crispy. They're going to be very good, okay? So we're going to use about 3 russet potatoes. Now, if you plan to share with other people, then you might want to do about 4 or 5 potatoes. But as for me, I did 3 and I really didn't want to share. This was enough for just one person, just enough for me. Yeah, but I peeled my potatoes and now I sliced off the ends, and that was just because I was using a French fry cutter, so I had to make sure my potatoes would fit. But if you plan to cut all of your potatoes by hand, then you don't have to slice off the ends of your potatoes. Okay, and I got this potato cutter from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you like to get one for yourself or for somebody for Christmas. Yes, hello, hint, hint. Okay, so after slicing all of those potatoes, I just let them soak into some water to keep them from turning brown. And I let them soak for about 20 to 30 minutes and dried them off with a paper towel. Okay, so you want to use either canola or vegetable oil. If you got shortening, you can use shortening. That should be fine. You want to make sure that you heat your oil to medium high heat. Once your oil is hot, then you can drop in your french fries. Okay, and we're only going to cook them until they are soft. So we're going to cook them twice. Okay, first time until they are soft. The second time we're going to cook them to get them crispy. But in between that, we're going to freeze the potatoes. We're going to freeze the fries. We're going to freeze the fries. Freeze the fries. I don't like how that sounds. That almost sounds like a tongue twister. Freeze the fries. We're going to freeze the fries. Freeze the fries. Wow. Okay, so my potatoes are cooking now. I let them cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Yeah, that was how long it took for them to get soft. Okay, and I'm just going to take one fry out of the oil and just chop it with the spatula, just to give you a general idea of about how soft your potatoes should be. Okay, so I hope that, this is kind of helpful. There you have it. Okay. So after chopping that fry, I just let this cook for an additional 1 minute. Then I removed all of the fries, and now we're going to throw them in the freezer. So I put those fries in the freezer, and I came back about a month later. Like, no lie, I came back a month later, which shows that, the fries, they were able to be frozen. And yeah, that might be a good idea if you want to just do like a make ahead type thing for some french fries. Make them ahead of time, freeze them, come back to the freezer, cook them, So when you cook your fries the second time around, you want to make sure that your oil is really hot. Okay, so you're going to cook them on high heat. Okay, so first time you should cook on medium high heat for about 7 minutes. Second time around, you're going to cook them on high heat, and you're only going to cook them until they are golden brown and crispy to your liking. Okay, you might like yours more crispy than I, like mine. So I cook mine for like 3 minutes. You might want to do about 4. Okay. And then it also depends on how hot your oil is. So if your stove heats your oil like severely hot, like super hot, then you might only need 1 minute of cooking those fries. Okay. Enough said. All right, y'all. So these are done. This is what they look like. So I'm just going to sprinkle some Lowry seasoned salt on top. When I was in California, I would always like to go to a hamburger stand called Tam's, and they would always put seasoned salt on their french fries. And I just love it that way, like to this day. So yeah, seasoned salt, a little ketchup as well, and I'm good. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Click the like button if you did, and I hope to catch y'all in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.